we got this situation. The focus of the parabola this. Okay. Now look at this, how we will approach these kind of questions. So the thing is, like, we guys are not comfortable with these kind of equations. We are comfortable with y square equals 4ax, y square equals minus 4ax, x square equals 4by, x square equals to minus 4by. Okay, so we guys are comfortable with these situations, not this one. Okay, so how we will approach questions that belongs to this category? So what you should do, you should try to write your question in one of the form. Okay, right now I am getting intuition that we have y square, so hopefully question will fall in either first category or second category. Okay, so how we should approach? First, keep this thing in your mind, like convert question into one of the form. Okay, second, make sure that coefficient of x and y to be 1. Okay, so if these two conditions are satisfied, you can get your result done. Okay, so what I want to do, like, it is 4y square, so I'll take 4 common. Okay, and I'll keep y on same side, x on same side. So y square minus y equals 6x plus 5. Okay, now simplify this thing. Hopefully we have a square minus 2ab. So I'll complete the square. So 4 times a square minus 2, a is y, and look at this, we have this thing as y, so to make this part as y, we have to multiply by 1 by 2, so that this 2 and this 2 will be neutralized. Correct, na? So according to us, b is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus, for completing the square, minus 1 by 2 whole square to like equate these two things. Now 6x plus 5. Till this part, I hope you guys are comfortable. Now look at this. If you will observe this thing, you can write this thing as y minus 1 by 2 whole square, and this is minus 1 by 4 equals 6x plus 5. Now look at this. Let's multiply. So 4 times y minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1. So this minus 1 will go to that side and will become plus 1. So it will become 6x plus 6. So can I take 6 common? So it will become x plus 1. Correct? Now look at this. We want what? We don't want anything over here. Okay, as coefficient. So I'll send 4 to that side. So y minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 6 by 4 x plus 1. Now look at this. Can I assume this thing as y, capital Y? Okay, so it is y square. Now we have x and you have x, so can I assume that to be capital X? Okay, what we did, capital Y equals y minus 1 by 2, capital X equals to x plus 1. Now look at this, we have we will simplify this. Okay, so it is 3 by 2. but we need 4, correct? So what I'll do, I'll multiply and divide by 2, so that, sorry, multiply and divide by 4, so it will become 8. Okay, so who is this person now? This person is your A. Okay, so 4A x. Okay, so we have converted our question in our comfortable zone. Now what do we need? We need focus of a parabola. So we know that, like, if we fall in this category, focus is a comma 0. This means x is a and y is 0, but it is for this situation. So who is a? A is x. Okay, and this case a is 3 by 8. Who is y? Capital Y. In this question we have capital Y, so capital Y equals to 0. Now replace capital X with your x plus 1. So it is 3 by 8. Capital Y is what? Y minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. So small x will become this thing that side, minus 1. So 3 minus 8 minus 5 by 8. Y is what? 1 by 2. So required focus is minus 5 by 8 comma 1 by 2. I hope now you can solve these kind of illustrations. Okay, so the idea is to make sure that your coefficient should have, like, leading coefficient of y and x should be 1, then only you can write this kind of things. Okay.